When you take the animal to the slaughterhouse for killing, he cries. Hey, he is so why? Because he is feeling pain. He knows that I am going to be killed. So there is soul. The soul is there. You don't think that soul is not there. Soul is there. Therefore, a Krishna conscious person who has realized God, he is samas sarveshu bhutesu. He is equal to all living entities. He will feel pain even for cutting a tree. He will feel pain even he travels over an ant. There is a story that one hunter, he was killing in the forest all kinds of animals, and he was killing them half. So they were suffering too much severe pain. So Narad Muni was going in that way. He saw that these animals have been half killed and they are so much suffering. Who is doing that? So he searched out the hunter. He requested, sir, you are killing the animals. Why don't you kill them all at a time? We are killing half. They are suffering. You will have to suffer in that way. The hunter did not know that killing animals is sinful and he has to suffer again. So he said, sir, I am trained like this by my father. This is my profession. I do not know what is sin. But this is the first time I am hearing from you that killing these animals, especially in this way, is very much sinful. So because he saw a saintly person, he got his sense. He asked him, then how I can get rid of this sinful life? So Narad Muni suggested that I shall give you the way how you can become free from this sinful life. So he made him a disciple and asked him to chant this Hare Krishna mantra and sit down on the bank of the Ganges. And the hunter said, sir, where shall I get my food? Narad Muni said, I will send you, don't bother. I will send you food. So the village people, when they understood that the hunter has become a saintly person, so everyone used to come and see him. Somebody was bringing some rice, somebody wheat, somebody some sweets, some fruits, some flowers. So huge quantity of foodstuff was coming. So in this way, he became a perfect saintly Vaishnava. Later on, when Narad Muni came to see him, he was coming to receive the spiritual master, jumping over the road. So when the hunter, now he became Vaishnava. So Narad Muni and his friend Parvat Muni asked, so why you are jumping? He said, sir, there are so many ants, so I was trying to save their life. The same hunter who was killing animals one time, half dead and was enjoying, is no more interested to kill even an ant. This is called saintly life. Sama sarveshu bhutesu. Sama, equal to all living entities. Not that simply protection should be given to the human being